Are you looking for the best remote control portable air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best remote control portable air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZAFRO 10,000 BTU Portable AC Unit. The ZAFRO Portable AC is a versatile cooling solution designed to keep your space comfortable. With its powerful 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, it effectively cools rooms up to 450 square feet, giving you control over the temperature from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It also works as a fan and dehumidifier, allowing you to adjust settings to your comfort needs. The unit is easy to use with a remote control and LED display, so you can adjust settings from anywhere in the room. Plus, its 24-hour timer helps you save energy by setting it to turn on or off when you need. The quiet sleep mode ensures peaceful rest by lowering noise and adjusting temperature automatically, making it ideal for bedrooms. What we like: multiple operation modes, remote control and LED display, 24-hour programmable timer, quiet sleep mode, easy portability. Number 2. Dreo Portable 40-inch Standing Air Conditioner Fan. The Dreo Portable Cooling Fan offers quiet and efficient cooling, making it perfect for hot summer days and nights. Its advanced impeller design keeps noise levels low, so you can sleep or work without distractions. This fan cools the air by passing hot, dry air through humid cooling pads, creating a comfortable breeze with added moisture. With an 80 degrees oscillation and powerful airflow, it covers a wide area to keep your living space fresh. Plus, the removable water tank and cooling pads make cleaning simple, helping you enjoy healthy, cool air anytime. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, humidifying cooling pads, wide-angle oscillation, easy cleaning and maintenance. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Pack 12 WT Large Spaces Air Conditioner Portable. The BLACK+DECKER Pack 12 WT Large Spaces Air Conditioner Portable is a powerful and quiet 12,000 BTU air conditioner that is perfect for cooling small rooms up to 300 square feet. It features 3 energy-efficient functions for cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes, and comes with a remote control for easy operation. It also has a self-evaporating operation that makes your living space cool, clean and dry. Customers have praised its easy setup and adjustable fan speed, though some have noted that it can be quite loud. What we like: strong cooling performance, easy setup and installation, portable and space-saving, adjustable airflow direction, remote control convenience. Number 4. Humhold 14,000 BTU Portable AC. Humhold Portable AC is a powerful 3-in-1 unit that cools, dehumidifies, and fans. With a cooling capacity of 14,000 BTU, it efficiently cools up to 700 square feet. The front LED display and remote control offer easy temperature adjustments from a distance. Its self-evaporation system eliminates the need for constant draining. The Smart and Sleep mode with a 24H timer ensures energy-saving operation and optimal comfort levels for a good night's sleep. What we like: powerful 14,000 BTU cooling, 3-in-1 functionality, front LED display and remote control. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. The BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a powerful, quiet, and easy-to-install unit that is perfect for cooling small rooms up to 150 square feet. It features 3 energy-efficient functions for cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes, and comes with a simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer. The unit also has a bucketless, self-evaporating operation, and is equipped with casters for easy mobility. What we like: excellent cooling performance, quiet operation, low maintenance, easy filter cleaning, energy efficient.